Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix EA FC24 black screen issues on your game. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up app where you got the game. I got it from a app, and then I just need to go and press on manage, view properties, and then browse files. And once you're here, then you need to scroll down until you see EA.exe file, and here you need to right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, make sure to run this game as administrator and disable full screen optimizations. And after that you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, other thing that you can do here, you need to make sure that your operating system and your GPU drivers is fully updated. And to do so, it's quite easy. What you need to do here is to open up settings. Then you need to go to Windows Update and then check for updates. And if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so, and then restart your computer. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your GPU drivers as well. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is an app called NVIDIA GeForce Experience. I can basically update my drivers here. Update drivers. And if using AMD, probably I believe there is AMD Radeon app to that. And if you do not have any apps, you simply can go to Device Manager. Then you need to go to Display Adapters, right click on your GPU, update driver, and search automatically for drivers here. And still, if this doesn't help you, other thing that you can do here is to disable overlay applications like Discord, Steam, or GeForce Experience, or EA app as well is using a overlay as the overlay option. So you can disable the apps, or simply you can disable overlay by just on the game, for example on Steam, right click on the game and then disable game overlay, because sometimes it can cause the problem here. And still, if this doesn't help, then another thing that you can do here is to verify integrity of the game files. So maybe your game have some corrupted files that need to be fixed, so you need to verify game files. And to do so, you just need to, if you're using Steam, you need to right click on the game, properties, installed files, and verify integrity of the game files. If you're using EA, you need to press on the game, manage, repair, and then it will fix your corrupted game files. And if you're using Epic Games, you need to go to library, right click, and then manage and verify files. And if this doesn't help you, then you need to make sure that your basically you need to reinstall Windows C++, and also you need to reinstall your DirectX or update it. So to do so, first you need to just on Google write DirectX, and then probably it will be the first link by Microsoft. You just need to go here, download it, and then download it to your desktop, and then also Visual C++. It will be by learn.microsoft.com, and here you can download these two options here. So save it to your desktop or whatever you like. And once you save that, then what you need to do here, so I will show you, super easy installation process. It will be this file and this and this. So to update DirectX, super simple. You need to accept agreement, then toggle this button off and press next and install the file. And also super similar to the other two, you just need to install like normal setup. As you can see here, for me, I just need to uninstall. So if you already got the Visual C++, you just need to press repair button here. So I just need to restart your computer, but probably you get the point. And if this doesn't help you, if you're getting the black screen in game, so just turn on the game with black screen and then press Alt and Tab combo, and then sometimes it can fix the problem, this super simple combo, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.